Yo, we're vlogging today. Vlog number 2.
For like 7 months.
After 6 or 7 months vlogging again. I say too much, but whatever. Shit, I don't care. I should probably bleep that out, huh? Nope, I don't really care. Yeah, we got out early today and it's fucking cold. You see that breeze? Like, whoa!
But it's
So strong! Oh, I'm in a tornado.
It's sunny.
Yeah, and it's sunny.
I don't get that part. Like,
And it's sunny. It doesn't make sense. Maybe because it's SNSD Taeyeon's birthday. Woo, 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 woo. Taeyeon. So, it's a good birthday.
Alright, this is
SNSD, G, 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 G,
Boys
baby,
out.
baby. G, 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 G. I might talk about SNSD when I'm listening to it after school. Look at that bag. It's so windy! Wow!
what kind of main road is this? There's no cars.
So? There's no car over there. Ooh,
Oh,
stop!
you want to get on that bus?
Fuck that shit. There might be pedal bears. I wonder if they can hear me. Shit. Oh shit, on our way to somewhere magical. Oh, look. I heart you. I heart
Look at
you.
this sweater. It sucks.
Look at this bag. Look at that bag. Somebody's holding shit. Rubbing your oh shit, almost dropped it. Very dangerous.
It has a case.
Oh, I don't care. Doesn't look like I care. I can throw this.
You're young, like, in your head.
Stop. Ooh, no. It's too small for you. No, I'm just joking.
Shut up.
Too small for you. Shit.
You big.
What are you having, my Chinese? No, we are not Australian. Although my Chinese is pretty funny. Hey, Angel, you the sexy.
Look at my footprint. You can see that mother shit over there.
I don't see shit. I see water.
Dude, that Asian guy over there, he's right behind us. He's staring at us.
Oh,
We're
Asian.
talking to a freaking camera.
You guys see that Asian? He's like, oh, who are those Asian guys? I should go sell chicken. Maybe give them some pork. Very good. And my arm's getting
We're
tired.
talking to a camera.
Yeah, because we have no life. All we do is watch K-pop. No, that's me.
I really should have filmed that McDonald's rapper chasing me down.
This guy, alright? This guy's a fucking pedophile. Oh, I should probably bleep that. I didn't mean to swear. But this guy has some stalkers from McDonald's, and they're his rappers. Cause he litters. No, jokes, bro, jokes. Or am I?
I was going to the bus stop and I dropped it on the seat. And then I freaked
He
out.
dropped it. He dropped it on the seat. No, bro.
And then it came following me. I was like, what the freak is that? Why is it like chasing me?
No,
No.
bro. You did
When
not
I dropped
drop
you, that's
that.
the end of story.
That is not the end of the story. I will tell you next time after I get me a big chicken. I will replay the story and record it.
You sound like a pedophile.
So shit. Does that matter? I just want to play my heart out to Taeyeon. Like, bring the boys out. We bring the boys out.
Alright. Vlog's done. See you later.